Nothing is more frustrating than stepping on the gas and feeling your car hesitate, struggle, or just refuse to pick up speed. When a car doesn't accelerate properly, it can make you nervous, especially if it happens while merging onto a highway or passing another vehicle. The good news is, most of the time, the problem comes down to a handful of common issues that are easy to check and fix if you know where to look. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe, and let's get started. Clogged fuel filter or fuel pump trouble. Your engine needs fuel to create power, and if that fuel isn't getting there fast enough, your car will feel weak. A clogged fuel filter or a failing fuel pump is one of the most common reasons for poor acceleration. Over time, dirt and debris in the fuel can clog the filter, making it hard for the engine to get the fuel it needs. If your car hesitates when you press the gas or feels like it's running out of breath at higher speeds, this might be your culprit. Replacing a fuel filter is usually inexpensive, and fixing a fuel pump issue will get your engine back to full strength. Dirty or clogged air filter. Engines need air just as much as they need fuel. If your air filter is packed with dirt and dust, your engine will struggle to breathe. This can lead to sluggish acceleration because the engine can't get enough oxygen to burn fuel efficiently. Swapping in a new air filter is one of the easiest fixes and can instantly make your car feel more responsive. Failing spark plugs or ignition problems. Your spark plugs are like the tiny lighters that ignite the fuel in your engine. If they're worn out or dirty, your engine may misfire or hesitate when you press the accelerator. The car might even shake or feel jerky during acceleration. Replacing spark plugs and checking the ignition coils can solve this problem and restore smooth power. Transmission issues. If your car has an automatic transmission and it's not shifting correctly, you might feel like the car is struggling to pick up speed. Slipping gears, delayed shifting, or high engine revs without much movement are signs of a transmission problem. Sometimes the issue is as simple as low or old transmission fluid, but if ignored, it can lead to expensive repairs. Checking and topping up transmission fluid is a good first step. Exhaust blockage or catalytic converter problem. Your exhaust system carries burned gases out of the engine, and if it's clogged, your car can feel choked. A failing catalytic converter or blocked exhaust will make the car slow to accelerate, and you might notice a rotten egg smell or hear unusual rattling from underneath. This is a more serious issue that needs a mechanic to diagnose and fix, but catching it early can save your engine from bigger damage. How to diagnose? If your car is not accelerating properly, start with simple checks. First, listen and feel. Does the car hesitate, jerk, or make unusual noises? Check if the check engine light is on. If it is, use an OBD2 scanner to read the code. Look under the hood for obvious issues like loose wires, dirty air filters, or leaking hoses. Pay attention to how the car behaves at different speeds. If it only struggles at high speeds, it might be a fuel or exhaust problem. If it hesitates right from a stop, it could be ignition or transmission related. By starting with these basic checks, you can narrow down the issue before heading to a mechanic. Conclusion: when your car isn't accelerating properly, it's your engine's way of asking for attention. Most of the time, the cause is something simple like a clogged filter or worn spark plugs, and fixing it will get your car running strong again. Ignoring the problem can lead to bigger issues, so it's always best to check things out early, either by yourself or with a trusted mechanic.